Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get coins in eFootball. So the first way to get coins for free is to log in into your eFootball account every single day. Once you log in into your eFootball account every single day, at the top you can see the mail icon. You can click on the mail icon and all the coin is going to be stored in this mail icon place. You just want to click on receive all and you're going to receive every single coin which you get just for logging in every single day. And the other way to get coins is to play game, which means play match, and not against AI. Even by playing against AI you can earn some amount of coins, but if you play against actual person then you're going to earn a lot of coins. For that you can click on where it says match at the bottom. Once you go on the match section, you're going to see the option called events. Click on events. From inside events, what you want to do is at the top it says versus AI versus AI. You don't want to choose versus AI. So keep on scrolling and you will see user matches. If you see user matches, you can click on enter and it's going to make you match up against another player on the internet. And once you play together, if you win, you're going to get some coin. So you can see other user events like this, user matches. If it says versus AI match, you're going to be played against AI. So you can just choose the event which you want to play in and click on enter, and it's going to ask you to choose a team, and after you choose a team you're going to enter the match and start playing against the other guy. And the other method to get coin is to just buy it. You can go on the shop section and from over here click on eFootball coins. Now from eFootball coins it's going to show you amount of price, like for 130 you need to pay 0.99. So you can choose which one you want to buy and click on it and buy it using your card. So that is the way on how we guys can get coins on eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.